The rationing started in India in the backdrops of the Bengal famine, that is in the 1940s, when the government realized that a big hit can actually destroy all the securities that a country possesses. So, it needs to be more able-bodied in order to face such big natural calamities. Therefore, the government started with various food intervention programs, and the first of course is the public distribution system, wherein you have seen in detail about the fair price shops and the rationing. Then the integrated child development services were implemented to see the growth and development and food security to the children. Next is food for work, that is FFW popularly called. Various other poverty elevation programs have also been started to see that the poorer section of the society gets to eat well nutritional food. Under this program, the midday meal schemes have been started for the children in the school so that they get proper nutrition while coming to school regularly. Besides this was meant for the universal people, but now there are programs which are targeted, and we have the revamped public distribution system, and we have targeted public distribution system, by which first of all in India the prices started differing for the rich and the poor. That is, the same food grain was now available at a lower price for the targeted section, for the poorer section, and the prices were high for those who could afford it. So, this revamped public distribution system and the targeted public distribution system aims at giving food grain to the people who cannot afford to buy food grains at a higher prices. Two other schemes like the Antodaya Anna Yojana and also the Annapurna scheme have been helping the people, especially the vulnerable and the poorer section of the society, to get their 2 times meal at a price which is affordable by them.